Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashi Goyal and in this video we are going to solve this if 8 factorial over 2 factorial brackets 8 minus 2 factorial. So what is the value of this? 24, 28 or 6. So let's solve this. So 8 factorial, we can write it as 8 multiplies 7 multiplies 6 factorial, right? And 2 factorial, and if we solve the bracket we get 8 minus 2 is 6 factorial. So we can eliminate the 6 factorial with 6 factorial, and what we get 8 times 7 over 2 factorial, that is 2 times 1. If I eliminate this 2 with 8, I get 4 times 7. So 4 times 7 is 28. So what is our correct answer? 28. I hope it's clear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.